Brochures, business cards, flyers, postcards. There's no end to the types of marketing materials that we are inundated with every day of our lives. And now in the internet age of websites and blog posts, paper becomes an even more unique way to brand our businesses. Unfortunately, most people are bombarded with cheap flyers and poorly produced materials. So to get attention and be read, yours needs to be unique and clever just to get noticed. Here are 6 tips to ensure that your marketing materials are resulting in business and not trash. 1. Don't complicate it. Brochures, flyers, and sales sheets should present the correct brand for your company. When it comes to the look and content, just stick to the basics. If you can say something in 5 words, don't use 10 to say the same thing. Just tell the client what they need to hear for now. The rest can be covered during face-to-face conversations. Full pages of plain text are no and boring. Adding white space and open spacing between paragraphs offers a relief to the reader. Bullet points and headers make it all so much more easily digested and easier to read. 2. Use fun photos. This brochure will not be the first or the last your client will review before making purchase decisions. Nice photos make a big difference between looking clean and professional or sloppy and amateurish. Even for small companies, it pays to invest in quality photos of your facilities and your staff. The quality shown in these photos will convey the level of quality that your company provides. If your business is sharp and proficient, your photos can convey that message. If you are friendly and family-oriented, photos can tell that story as well. You don't have to say a word. 3. Brand everything. Put your logo on everything and in all of your materials. Be sure to focus on why you are different and why the customer should be doing business with you. Everything that you use, from business cards to magnets to invoices, should tell your story and represent your brand. Which also means that everything must be consistent. The color, design, content, your voice should all be coordinated to form one unified brand. The business card that I received from you last week and the brochure that I received this week should both look they came from the same company. If they don't, you have some work to do. 4. Use testimonials and awards. Were you voted the best restaurant in town this year? Tell the world. This is not the time to be shy. It's the time to toot your horn as loud as you can. This kind of recognition offers third-party proof that what you say is legitimate. Testimonials can provide the same real person authenticity to your story. 5. Make it personal. Marketing materials are not textbooks and are not the place to be boring. These materials need to be engaging and personal. Add a metaphor, tell a joke, add life to your message. How would you explain your exciting new business to Grandma? What would she need to know to understand what you are doing? So write it that way. A good brochure does more than tell the facts. It must be interesting. 6. Remember your market. Don't ever forget who you are writing this for. For example, is your market composed of seniors? If so, you may need to increase the font size a little. The income, age, and other demographics should be a major consideration in how you write this piece. Many times marketing pieces are the first impression a potential customer will see, or perhaps the last, depending on how they are presented. These materials are an investment into your company's future. Write and design this material as if the life of your business depended on it, because it does.